Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: How to reverse words in a sentence using Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to reverse the order of words in a sentence using Python. Reversing words in a sentence can be a useful operation in various text processing tasks, such as natural language processing, data cleaning, or cryptography. Python provides simple and efficient ways to accomplish this task using built-in string manipulation functions and list operations. Step 1. Splitting the sentence into words. The first step is to split the input sentence into individual words. We can achieve this using the split method available for strings in Python. This method splits a string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. By default, the delimiter is a whitespace character. Step 2. Reversing the order of words. Once we have the individual words, we can reverse the order of the words in the list. Python provides a convenient way to reverse a list using the reverse method or by utilizing slicing with a step value of -1. Step 3. Joining reversed words into a sentence. After reversing the order of words, we need to join them back into a single string to form the reversed sentence. We can use the join method available for strings in Python to concatenate the words with a specified delimiter. Step 4. Putting it all together. Now, let's combine all the steps into a single function that takes a sentence as input, reverses the order of words, and returns the reversed sentence. Output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we have learned how to reverse the order of words in a sentence using Python. By splitting the sentence into words, reversing the order of words, and then joining them back together, we can easily achieve this task. This technique can be applied in various text manipulation scenarios to process and analyze textual data effectively. ChatGPT.